Today we're having a look at the Ego power mower. It's the battery operated one, the lithium one. It's got a 4 amp hour battery in it. It cuts up to 45 minutes according to the box. It's a 3-in-1 function, whatever that's supposed to mean. It has a 5-year warranty on the actual mower itself, and we have a 3-year warranty on the battery. Now I decided not to go with the larger one. I went with the 49cm cordless size. I thought I couldn't justify paying extra money for a bigger mower, which is basically only about 1 inch bigger in the old scale, for my small garden. So let's have a look inside the box and see what's there. So effectively that's what you get in the box, and that's what you get for your money. So basically all you've got to do is plug it into your power point, switch on the power point, drop down the charging device, or the battery onto the charging device, and away she goes. That's it. Now it's got a little warning on here to start. Fully extend side rails, which are these, but before you can get to that you've got to pull in the little lever on the side and lock it in position like so. I'll just move the camera again. Now the little side arms are these things here. Put them across, slide up, snap in position. And as you can see here, it's got a little line, so it shows you how far to extend it out. The little green levers on the side here will not snap back in position until it's in its fully extended position. This mower comes with 5 different cutting heights. It even has 2 little award stickers on it. You know, whoopee! I mean, that's definitely something I don't want, but it's there anyway. Key just simply fits in there. And on the back here, that's where you put your catcher. It's got a little mulching plate already sitting in there, which is rather nice because that's all I intend to use. Got a little flap here to stop stones and rubbish hitting you. So yeah, that's pretty well it. Apart from the initial startup, of course. Now, what comes in the plastic bag? You get this, which is just a bit of information if you need any help with the actual mower itself. There's a contact number there. You get your guarantee. On the back we got a information on the mower telling you it's a 56 volt. We'll let the battery charge for the first time. I'll come back a bit later on and pop it into the mower, and we'll take the mower for its first cut and see if it does any good. And there you have it. Cuts beautiful. Doesn't take long at all.